checkmate our opponent before they castle. Let's do this. In this position, our opponent's king is right here. How can we checkmate our opponent's king before they castle? Alright, let's analyze this right quick. First of all, our opponent has a queen on c7, two knights right here, then they got this bishop on f8, and these two rooks that's not doing anything at all. And our opponent cannot castle on the queen side because of our awesome bishop that's on the g5 square covering the h4 to d8 diagonal. So, the move that you should have considered first, because this is a common sacrifice, is queen takes on e6. What happens after f takes on e6? What is the best follow-up? Well, you would have had to see this move, bishop h5, delivering check on this h5 to e8 diagonal. And the only defense that black has is the move g6, but then it's a failure because you can just take the piece without anything defending it. And yes, this is checkmate because there is no capture, block, or avoidance of this check by the bishop. Checkmate your opponent before they castle.